What should I do if I am getting an error while linking my debit card to PayPal?
Hello everyone. If you're facing an issue while trying to link your debit card to your PayPal account, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to walk you through a few steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Let's get started.
Why is the error occurring?
There could be several reasons why you're experiencing an error when trying to link your debit card to PayPal. Some common reasons include 1. Incorrect card details. Make sure you've entered your card number, expiration date, and CVV correctly. 2. Unsupported card. PayPal does not support all types of cards. Ensure your card is one that PayPal accepts. 3. Insufficient funds. Some banks require a small transaction to verify the card. Ensure you have enough balance. 4. Banks restrictions. Some banks might block certain online transactions for security reasons.
How to resolve the error?
If you're still facing the problem after checking all the above points, here's what you can do. 1. Double-check the card details. It's easy to make typos. Cross-verify the card information you've entered with your physical debit card. 2. Contact your bank. It's possible that your bank has put some restrictions on online transactions. Call your bank's customer service for help. 3. Try a different card. If possible, try linking a different card to see if the issue persists. 4. Contact PayPal support. If nothing else works, you might need to contact PayPal's customer support for help.
Preventing future errors.
Here are a few tips to help prevent these kinds of errors in the future. 1. Update your account information regularly. If any of your details change, such as your address or phone number, be sure to update them in your PayPal account. 2. Maintain a balance in your account. To prevent insufficient funds errors, try to maintain a small balance in your account. 3. Keep track of your cards. Keep track of your debit cards and their expiry dates, so you can update your PayPal account when necessary. And that's how you can resolve an error while linking your debit card to PayPal. Always remember that if you are unable to troubleshoot the issue yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal's customer service for support. They're there to help. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Happy online shopping, everyone!